this video, I will show you how to transfer from Bitvavo to MEXC. So from our Bitvavo app, we're going to click on the blue button down below. And from here, we're going to click on Withdraw. Select the asset that you wish to transfer. And in this tutorial, I'm going with Bitcoin. In this section, you're going to select your MEXC address. And if you don't have one yet, just like me, then go ahead and click on Add New Address for BTC down below. And in here, select the network Bitcoin. And please be sure that you select the same network as well on MEXC when we go to the app later, because if you don't select the same network, then your crypto might get lost. So it's really important that you match the two of these. So anyway, let's go ahead and click on Bitcoin and now click on Continue. In here we can enter a wallet address name, so let's call it MEXC BTC. And down below we need to paste in the BTC address. So for this, we're going to our MEXC app. From your MEXC app, you're going to click on Wallets at the bottom right. And in here, you're going to click on the blue button that says Deposit. Click on Deposit Crypto, select the asset that you want to transfer. And in this tutorial, we're going with Bitcoin, so let's click on BTC. Select the same network as you just selected on your Bitvavo. And I have chosen BTC, so I'm going to click this one. And again, please match these two networks, because if you don't match them, you can really lose your crypto. So it's really important. So click on your network. Right now, you will have your unique deposit address. Go ahead and copy this to your clipboard or go ahead and scan the QR code. I'm going to copy this to my clipboard and now I'm going to return to my Bitvavo app. To enter the address in here, click on this address belongs to me and after click on continue. Enter your password and your two-factor authentication code. And if you haven't authenticated yet, then go ahead and check my other video on how I do that. So anyway, let's fill in the details and click on continue. So right now you need to confirm your BTC address, and for this you need to go over to your mail that's linked to your Bitvavo account. Because Bitvavo will always send you an email to confirm your new address, so go ahead and look in your junk or your spam or just your normal inbox, wait a couple of minutes in order for it to be in your mailbox, and then click on Confirm Address Request. And as you can see, our new address is added, so now we can return to our Bitvavo app. Click on the address you just created, and for me that's MEXC BTC. And go ahead and click on Withdraw to MEXC BTC down below, or anything that you have called this. And right now you can enter the amount of BTC that you want to transfer. So let's say that I want to transfer €2 of BTC, then I'm going to click on Preview Transfer Order. And at the bottom, I'm going to click on Send BTC. You can also see your fees in here. And if you don't want to pay fees, and if you haven't started yet on Bitvavo, then go ahead and check the link in the description where you can sign up with that link. And then your first 10K in trading will be exempted of fees. And this way you can save a lot of money to grow your portfolio really fast. So feel free to check the link in the description. And anyway, let's move on with the video. So let's click on Send BTC. And as you can see, we have sent our Bitcoin to MEXC. Now we can go ahead and click on Continue. And now we can return to MEXC to see if our crypto is already sent. So in your wallet section, you will see if your crypto is transferred. And I would personally start with small transfers. And then if the wallets are connected and you know that they are transferring between each other, then I would go for higher amounts. So that is it for the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get started with Bitvavo and to not pay any fees for your first 10K in trading. And thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.